Make money online with book reviewing jobs. Hey book lovers! Do you love reading and dream of turning your passion into a paycheck? Today, I'm going to show you how book reviewing jobs can help you earn money online, all while doing what you love. Let's dive in. Book reviewing is all about sharing your thoughts on books. With thousands of books being published every year, there's a growing demand for reviewers. Whether it's on blogs, websites, or social media, your reviews can help readers make informed choices. On-screen text: earn money by reviewing books. Share your opinions and shape readers' choices. Enjoy free books as a bonus. So, how do you start your journey as a book reviewer? Here are some easy steps to get started. Step 1. Build your following. Create a blog or social media page to share your reviews. The more followers you have, the more opportunities you'll attract. Step 2. Write high-quality reviews. Publish honest, engaging, and informative reviews. Publishers love quality feedback. Step 3. Explore opportunities. Now that you're ready, let's look at where you can find book reviewing jobs. Here are some of the best platforms for book reviewers. Platform 1. Booklist Online. Booklist is a trusted journal helping librarians select books. You can earn around $29.88 per hour. Pro tip: opportunities are limited, so aim for high-quality reviews. Platform 2. Kirkus Reviews. Kirkus is a big name in publishing. They're always looking for insightful reviewers. Visit their career page to apply. Platform 3. Writerful Books. Focuses on contemporary books from authors worldwide. Trusted reviewers often get consistent work. Platform 4. Reedsy. A hub for book lovers and writers. Review unpublished works and join a vibrant community. Platform 5. Get Abstract. Specializes in book summaries. Reviewers in the US and Switzerland can apply. Platform 6. Book Browse. Review adult fiction, non-fiction, and young adult books. Become part of a thriving readers community. Now, what makes a great book reviewer? Let's find out. On-screen text. Excellent reading and comprehension skills. Strong writing abilities. Time management. Ability to provide original insights and challenge existing idea. So, how much money can you make as a book reviewer? It depends on your experience and platform. On-screen text. Basic reviews, $20 to $50 per hour. Advanced reviews, $50 to $100 per hour. Website flipping, potentially thousands per site. Reviewing books is a fantastic way to turn your passion for reading into a rewarding career. Whether you're just starting or an experienced reviewer, there's always room to grow. So why wait? Start your journey today and get paid for doing what you love. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Hit the bell icon to stay updated. Happy reading! For details visit the website mentions below in description.